Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and as you can see in the middle we've got the resolution. After tapping on it we can change it, so right now we've got 1080p. And after tapping on it again, we've got 720p, which means that we've got only two different video resolutions available. So whenever you will see the exact resolution here, it means that it has been applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.